My name is Matthew Chesney. I'm Managing Director of Backlit Gallery in Nottingham.
And I'm Paul Heijnen. I'm owner and founder of Paul Heijnen Design, based in Eindhoven, Holland.
Backlit's a predominantly visual arts venue, but we actually are incorporating live performance into our programming. So we need something that's flexible, versatile, and we can use in multiple settings for our programming. So I chose Paul because I was really impressed with his hinges, which started off with a cabinet that was part of his graduate project and has since expanded into a much larger series of furniture, artworks, architectural implementations with people, and he really seemed the most appropriate artist. I also thought it'd be really beneficial for the young people across the city to be involved in the project and to gain from Paul's expertise in helping put the wall systems together. So it was really beneficial for both sides.
Well, I've been designer since I was basically 5 years old. It's then basically that developed into a kind of way of working for me, where I look at the whole field of art, architecture, design, even music, and try to combine or to find out the boundaries in different fields and combine them or step over the boundary and make people think about what things are really again. Well, my experience in design started about 2.5 years ago with my graduation. Built a massive cabinet with the hinges that are now fixed to the wall panels for the backlit gallery. The hinges are basically stuff that people try to hide. Like in kitchen cabinets, you see these hinges that people try to hide to make stuff look really high-tech and smooth, thereby creating a gap between the user and the product, because you don't understand anymore how something works. And so people can see again what's happening, see the mechanical components, see the movement, see what happens, and thereby you create a new connection with the product again, because you can figure out yourself what's happening and why it's happening, and that's also a part of aesthetics for me.
In terms of the actual folding gallery system, as far as we're aware, it's not been done before in a gallery context. And I think with our concerns for having a cross-platform, versatile space, I actually think it encourages new ways of encountering artwork. We haven't even fully mapped out all the different combinations of the three systems and how they can be used. But already, with it being folded away, like you see behind us, it almost is a complete revolution in how you actually display artworks.
Yeah, the hinges in this space become a piece of, it's a kit or a tool to generate different kind of setups or atmospheres in the gallery, which means that the hinge itself is a component of the gallery.
The folding gallery system is an artifact of Backlit now, and it's going to be around for a long time. So in its first state now, it's beautiful as a piece of sculpture, and it will also function really well as a folding gallery. But as we discussed earlier, it's kind of, there aren't many limitations so far, and that's the whole point. So
it's
it can
the start of the whole story, and you have to keep reacting on also what people's the interactions of people with them and what they do with them, to come up with even more ideas and to develop it into something that people are really awestruck with.
The hinges are the primary tool, if you like, and the walls are secondary in terms that they can be replaced for other materials, but it's the system that's the most inspiring thing, not just for designers and curators and gallerists, but also for artists to show work.
In this sense, it's already a folding gallery, but you could use them to make loads of different folding galleries in different ways. That's what we're trying to go and look at in the future.